This video is represented by Educationtechera and we are going to talk inside this video about the introduction to communication here. Speaking with a friend, writing a leave letter to the teacher, typing a message to a family member, listening to the radio, making a video call, using signboards, symbols, facial expressions, etc. Everything is a communication. Communication is a very important in the every phase of the human life. Let it be the first cry of a newborn indicating the arrival of a child, or anyone using their body language to express their behavior, comfort and mood. Thus, for all the human beings, communication is a process that evolved the exchange of words, ideas and opinions through the speaking, writing, discussing and questioning, gesture, etc. That's connect and bond with each other and are understandable by everyone. But what is the communication? In this video, we will learn what is the communication, how and why we communicate, and what are the different types of the communication. That's all in this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel and share this video. Thank you.